Fully sorted and ready to hit the road, this 65 Mustang combines the power of Dearborn's best muscle cars with vintage Detroit style that's classy enough to lead a parade. Thanks to a roster of choice upgrades, not only is it a comfy place to spend a sightseeing summer, it's also an authentic piece of Americana. The beneficiary of a professional ground-up restoration that was completed by Hamilton Restorations of Phoenix, Arizona. This well-done classic was subjected to a chemical dip that stripped its solid panels all the way to bare metal. That build championed classic style and world-class workmanship. And around 2016, this pony car saw a fresh respray of Caspian Blue 2-stage. Pop the doors and you'll find an attractive two-tone interior that celebrates the timeless style of Ford's coveted pony package. Firm TMI bucket stretch pony branded covers between plump headrest, enlarged bolsters, and 3-point harnesses. The sculpted dash frames authentic GT gauges next to modern air conditioning and a wood-trimmed glove box. Fade-free carpet floats color-keyed floor mats between a small console and a Cruise-O-Matic shifter, and the driver grips a handsome steering wheel on a tilting column. Lift this coupe's hood and you'll find 302 cubic inches of Ford Performance V8 that turns a solid 345 horsepower. Backing that 302 is a Street Fighter 4-speed that was sourced from TCI Automotive and spins a Ford 8-inch. When it comes to maximizing the amount of metal your money buys, you simply cannot go wrong with a purpose-built pony car. Thanks to its documented restoration, this legendary Ford is a great driving piece that's fun and historic. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.